In this video, we learn how to create a splash screen activity in Android. Create a new project and name it a splash screen activity. Now, uh, first I added this picture in my drawable file. Now, create a new activity and name it a splash screen activity. Now go to our splash screen layout. Change container to a linear layout. In this linear layout, we want an image view and two text view. We can set this image view to our app logo and our first text view to our app name and our second text view to our app slogan. Or you can add a progress bar in your splash screen activity. Change some properties and add an ID to our second text view because we want to add an animation to this text view later. Now go to our splash screen activity, create a static boolean variable and name it splash loaded and set it to false. We want our splash to only load one time. If a splash loaded, just create an intent and call or main activity. And finish this activity. Else we want to after 3 seconds delay we want to call our main activity. We use a handler that post delayed and add our delay which is 3 seconds, and inside the run method start activity for our intent and finish this activity. And after our handler, change the splash loaded to true and cut and paste or set content view to our else block. We want our status bar to be hidden in our splash screen, so we use a jet window that set flags and pass window manager that layout params that flash full screen. Pass it 2 times. And after this splash screen stopped, we want our status bar to be shown again. So we override on a stop method and use jet window that clear flags and pass or full screen flag. Now go to manifest file and change the splash screen activity to main activity and main activity to a splash screen activity. And we want our action bar and toolbar to be hidden, so we use a no action bar term. Now run the app This is our splash screen activity, and after 3 seconds our main activity will show. Now we want to add an animation to our app slogan. Create a new directory and name it anim, and create another animation resource file and name it to bottom anim. We want a shell, and we want its duration to be 1.5 seconds. We want it to go down in Y shell, and use alpha and set it from 0 to 1. Now go to a splash screen activity. First, get a reference for a second text view, which has an ID text view app slogan. Now create our animation. Use animation utils that load animations, a context and address of our animation, and use a start animation for our text view and pass our animation. Now run the app. This is our splash screen activity, and our app slogan has an animation. Thank you for watching.